How to log in into the Walgreens Employee Portal. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Walgreens Employee Login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and open this one website. Shine on Walgreens, open it. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily access your account. All you have to do is type in your Walgreens account's credentials. Firstly, type in your ID. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten your password, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on Sign On, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log in into the Walgreens Employee Portal. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.